Holy fuck, dude. It was not bad until this one. Holy fucking shit, dude.
What did I get?
$50. $50, you kill that whole box. Guys, this is the Hot Ones challenge, but in this one, my dog, Poochie Man, is going to be taking each wing with us as we go. And we're going to see if Poochie Man ends up tapping out or not. Poochie loves spicy wings. He absolutely tears them up. Our favorite is Asian Zing. You know what I'm saying? Asian Zing is key. Poochie Man is fiending for it down here. So we're going to let Poochie kind of do the Hot Ones challenge with us. So,
got me playing these games, yeah, yeah. Drive me insane, yeah, yeah. Got me numb in my brain, yeah, yeah.
wing number 1 is gonna be the mild sauce. Oh gosh. Alright, Poochie Man. You ready, bub? Let's get it. Oh, he ate it. He ate it. He wasn't fucking with it at first. He did not like it at first. Oh my goodness, how mild. See, I'm not a fan of mild sauces, dude. I'd rather have them be a little bit hotter. But, you know, it's alright. We have 2 dry seasonings. Lemon pepper and then desert heat towards the end. The last sauce is Blazen with Carolina Reaper in it. So we got a lot on the line here. Poochie's ready. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Lemon pepper. Let's get it. I kind of like this one. This one's kind of fire.
I don't think I've ever had this one.
Me either.
Pretty good.
Legit, I always order Asian Zing. Alright, Poochie Man. Damn. So, we're heading in to wing number 3. Poochie's already ready. And wing number 3 is going to be spicy garlic. Spicy garlic for number 3. I feel like them so far has been nice. This might be a turn. Whoa. Got a little bit of kick to it.
Smell like beef jerky, dude.
Yeah. It does have a beef jerky taste,
Like
dude.
beef jerky.
That is wild. Oh my gosh, dude. Spicy garlic. Dude, I kind of dig this one. This one's kind of fire. Alright. Put your name, we're gonna have to cut yours up. There's one piece. I might not end up giving Poochie the Blazen one, since it has Carolina Reaper in it. I don't know. Whenever Poochie's feeling like he's wanting to stop eating, I'm gonna let him stop eating. I don't wanna keep forcing him, you know? But I feel like Poochie's loving it so far. I'm loving it so far, you know? I enjoy these. We're about to eat my favorite one, dude. Asian motherfucking Zing.
Yeah.
Let's get it, dude. Oh my gosh, I'm ready for this one. Okay. Now that's a quality wing. No kidding, that's a quality wing right there. Oh my gosh, bro. Mmm. Alright, put your babe. Oh yeah. We've been waiting on that one. Dude, I'm gonna have to drink a little bit of water. Just a little bit. Oh, that was nice. Alright. So we're on wing number 5. Wing number 5 here. This one is Thai curry. I was not enjoying the smell of this one whatsoever when we were opening them up and putting them on here, but we'll see what it's all about, Did you like the smell of this one or no? It smells like wildness. It's called Thai curry, so it's like curry smelling, but like, I don't know. It just has a weird taste to it. Oh snap. Oh snap. I don't like the taste of that one at all. That one is fucking disgusting. In my opinion.
Chicken's yellow.
Almost, yeah.
I think it's pretty good.
From the seasoning. But damn, dude.
It tastes like
It's almost too much curry.
Foreign.
Yeah.
It tastes foreign.
But yeah, I don't know if you like that one. You might.
Like Arabian or something. I don't know.
Thai curry. Poochie's still in it. He's still in it. Best believe it. He hasn't even drunk water. He's just been chilling, waiting. Alright. Wing number 6 is gonna be the original buffalo sauce. Alright. So there's the original buffalo sauce from Buffalo Wild Wings. Let's get it. I don't feel like the spice is affecting me too bad right now. I can feel it a little bit, but like, I feel it in my mouth a little bit, but it's not to the point where it's like overwhelming. It's not overwhelming yet. Alright.
Really low key. The Thai curry might have been my favorite one so far.
Thai curry's your favorite one? You must like curry taste and stuff then.
I don't know. I've never
Curry chicken.
I never really tried that.
You need to try it.
It's pretty good.
See, that one's pretty good. That one is just like a original hot sauce. But the spiciness is lingering. I will say that. The spiciness is a lingering. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Poochie, are you still in it? You still in it to win it? Alright. There's original buffalo. Alright, so we are on the second to last wing. Wing number 7. This is Desert Heat.
Yeah.
I don't know how these last two are gonna be. This desert heat is a dry seasoning, so it's not like an actual sauce. Kinda a little bit out of here, you know? But, you know, I guess you gotta give it a try. And if we both end up eating all these, we have to go back to back and eat all the rest of what we have of the Blazen wings. So, if we do end up eating all these, we'll be going back to back trying to eat as much of the wings as we possibly can. Desert heat, coming in hot and hurry. Very dry. Like a desert.
Yeah. Dry as fuck.
No, dude. This side has a lot more spices on it, dude. It's like red almost. It's a dry seasoning. This one's a little bit wild. Are you ready for desert heat, Poochie? Oh snap. It's pretty dry. You might need a drink after this one. Poochie still hasn't drunk a drink. If anything, Poochie fucking wins. My gosh, dude. How does he do it? How do you do it, Poochie? What is your secret? Oh my goodness. A whole entire desert heat wing. That's crazy. That's crazy, Poochie. Oh my gosh. He's been doing the whole entire challenge with us. This is insane. We are on the last wing, dude. We are on the last wing, the Blazen wing. This one is called Blazen. It's got Carolina Reaper in it. It's a new addition to Buffalo Wild Wings. It's the new Blazen one. Yeah, this is gonna be the one that we're gonna be competing on if we both end up eating this one to the max. If we eat the whole thing. Poochie's got one right there too. So let's see. Let's see what we can do. You know, let's see what we can do. Number 8. Let's get it. Dude, you can definitely taste the fucking Carolina Reaper now. You gotta taste that. Holy fuck, dude. It was not bad until this one. Holy fucking shit, dude. I cannot see.
How fast you think I could kill that whole box?
Dude.
I bet I could kill it in less than a minute. That whole box. Of the Blazen.
If you kill that whole box, you fucking win. No matter what.
What do I get?
$50. $50, you kill that whole box.
There's not even a time limit?
You kill that whole box within 1 minute. I was gonna say
1 minute?
Yeah.
Oh shit. How many are there? 3?
Ah! Oh my gosh, dude. Poochie, I don't even want to give this one to you. I don't think I should. Oh my gosh. Dude, guys, I'm not feeling good.
I'm gonna start.
I'm not feeling good. Alright. If he gets this, he gets 45 seconds. If he don't eat this whole box. Alright, dude, I'm fucking shit up. Hold on. There's snot running out of my nose and shit. If Austin kills this whole box of wings in 45 seconds, he gets $50. Dude, I haven't even finished my first one. He just already ate his and he's about to finish this whole box. This is crazy. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. 45 seconds. Let's get it. Dude, I don't even know if I can eat that. I don't know if I can.
I'm alright.
12 seconds.
That's easy.
Almost 20. 20 seconds. Going to 30 seconds. He just pretty much downed it. Dude, he's sweating though. He's sweating, but he's taking it like a champ, dude. He pretty much got it. He just got $50 and won this fucking hot one challenge, dude. That's crazy. I thought I could take salt, like hot shit, like really well. But
Dude, that just tastes like a lot of ketchup, which that's like hot as fuck.
there's something going on in there. It's spicy. I'm gonna finish mine now. I'm gonna finish mine just cause I don't want to look like no bitch, you know. Are you feeling it?
Yeah.
The Carolina Reaper does it. Oh my god. Dude, this one's just too much. Do not get this sauce unless you're fucking crazy. You got $50 for eating all of them wings. So, here it is. Bada bang, bada boom.
I appreciate it.
That is wild, dude. I cannot believe you did that.